Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to make a group admin visible again, maybe they were set to anonymous and now you want everyone to see who's helping run things. This guide is for you. Here's how you can quickly update that setting and make your admin visible to all group members, using the latest Telegram app as of 2025. First, open your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, go to the group where you want to change the admin's visibility. You'll need to be an admin yourself to access these settings. Inside your group chat, look at the top of the screen and tap on the group's name. This will take you to the group info page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and all the settings you can manage. Now, look for the Edit button, usually represented by a small pencil icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to enter the group's edit mode. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Administrators. Tap on it to see a list of all the admins in your group. Here, you'll see which admins are currently set to remain anonymous, and which are visible to the group. Find the admin you want to make visible again and tap on their name. This opens up their admin settings. Look for the toggle switch labeled Remain Anonymous. If this switch is turned on, the admin's identity is hidden from regular group members. To make them visible, simply toggle Remain Anonymous off. Once you've switched it off, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save or Done button at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your update. That's it. The admin will now appear in the group's admin list and all members will be able to see who they are. This feature is especially useful for transparency and building trust within your group. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and toggle Remain Anonymous back on. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your Telegram community.